The IEI provides the grant in aid to UG, to the undergraduate, postgraduate, and the PhD students of various engineering universities and institutes. This IAI, in collaboration with Springer, is organizes international journals covering around 15 engineering disciplines. This is the official website of the IEI, the Institution of Engineers India. Now I'll speak about the services that are provided by the IEI. It promotes the general advancement of engineering and their application, the study of engineering through the research and development activities and various grants. It encourage elevation and recognize the technical knowledge and practice of individuals and organizations through various scholarship, awards, and other benefaction. It disseminates and updates the engineering technological knowledge among its members through various technical activities, which of these is one now. The IAI student chapter of electrical. The council members for this are Johnny Joseph, who is the secretary, and the editors Sanskruti Deshmukh, Shruti Maikar, and myself Abhishek. Our staff advisor is Ms. Divya. Now we'll move on to the main agenda of our workshop, that is the latex software. Has anyone before heard about this? Hello? Does anyone have any idea about latex? What is latex? No? Nobody? Okay then. Then I'll introduce you with the latex software. The latex is a high quality typesetting system. It includes the features designed for the production of technical and scientific documentation. It is a standard for the communication and publication of scientific documents. This latex is a free software. That means you don't have to pay for the using the latex or any kind of license is not required. Next. You can also support for the work of the latex team members through the GitHub sponsor at the moment, and various organizations like Frank, David, and Joseph. Your contribution will be matched by the GitHub in the first year, and it goes to 100% to the developers. The volunteers' effort that provide you with the latex need financial support. Now we'll introduce about the latex software that is will be used for the report writing. The latex is actually pronounced as latex or latex to rhyme with the black or the ballot bitch is a document preparation system which is used for high quality typesetting. It is most often used for medium to large technical or scientific documentation, but it can be used for almost any form of publishing. For example, you can consider this document that is shown below. Johnny. The Cartesian closed categories, and the price of tax. Jane Doe, September 1994, Hello World. This is actually a software that actually a word setup that is being created in this latex software. Next. So I'll actually translate this document that is shown to English. This document is an article. Its title is Cartesian, and the closed categories are and the closed ones are categories and the price tag of it. Its author is Jane Doe. It was written in September 1994. This document actually consists of a title followed by the text word hello. Now I'll talk about the features of this LaTeX software. Typesetting journal articles, technical reports, books, slide presentations, control over large documents containing sectioning, cross references, tables, and figures, typesetting of the complex mathematical formulas, advanced typesetting of mathematics with AMS LaTeX, automatic generation of bibliographies and indexes, multilingual typesetting, inclusion of artwork, and process of spot color using PostScript and meta fonts. All these features will be understood by you as and when you learn this LaTeX software in the workshop ahead. This LaTeX is so now I'll summarize this LaTeX. This LaTeX is a markup language for the purpose of typesetting, which allows the user to add plain content in the system along with annotations and customizable commands. It actually simplifies the contents and its placement in the documents. It is also responsible for controlling the layout of the document, thus making it more attractive for the people who read it. It's a LaTeX marked up file goes to the LaTeX interpreter, which then delivers it into a new file. It is helpful in rendering a high quality typesetting, and it is an existing approach for creating the documents nowadays, used by many professionals. Next. Now I'll speak about the features of using a report using the LaTeX. It provides a sorted style representation, a portable solution, flexible packages, scalable features, and cost effectiveness. Now I will explain each of them one by one. Sorted size presentation. The LaTeX has a feature of separating the content from the document. The LaTeX performs the typesetting and the compilation time to deal with uh, the appearance of the document. It separates the two processes and eases the process so that the users can focus on both the style and the content individually. Not only that, the styling phase is taken care of at a later stage. In this, the author can work in the text editor writing and specifying the structure of the page. It performs the typesetting and the compilation time to deal with the appearance of the document. Next, we move on to the portable solution. It means that it can handle files portably well across the platforms. It is nothing but a text file which is a portable source for the computer. A process finished document by the Latex system can be implemented on almost any popular platform. This it's outputted as an output file, a default output file that is called the DVI, device independent format, which can be easily converted into any other formats. Now, the flexible packages. The Latex offers the flexible packages solutions for the users. There are packages of everything you can think of while writing in LaTeX. These are free and simply built to complete any complex task. For example, we have a package called the BBTeX package that is highly efficient for the prime users of LaTeX who are in academic and research fields. Now I'll move on to the presentation control, the part of the presentation control. Whether it is writing or studying a research paper content, management is the most essential part. You may have worked with other elements and contents like fonts, image layouts. While working on the regular text editor, adding a line to a paragraph can completely change an image placement. On the other hand, LaTeX makes changes in the document. It is intelligent enough to understand the needs of the author and strictly follows the layout decided by the user and doesn't make any changes in it, even if new content is added. Now, the scalable features. Most people use Word for writing and managing the formatting of multiple page files. Unfortunately, it won't offer a pleasant experience to many users. But with LaTeX, one can divide a huge document into many smaller chunks, which can be aggregated later automatically by the LaTeX. It also allows to create bibliographies, indexes, and tables of content in multiple files easily. Talking about the cost effectiveness, you all would be wondering, what do you mean by cost effectiveness? It means that it has all the other brilliant features. Besides all these brilliant features that I mentioned above, it is free and nothing could be better than this. We can get a mature, effective solution for our academic and technical papers without spending any penny. It is very advanced in terms of typesetting and offers high quality documents. So, in short, the latex offers the suitable environment to build and modify the features like layout and representation of your significant documents. Anything from a mathematical report to a journal article can be converted into a simple high quality document. Thank you, friends. And now we will move on ahead in the workshop for the installation part.